Time for the elimination. Cake at stake. If you're safe, you are getting cake. It's a strawberry cake. You will be safe if you get some cake. Ceiling fan is safe with 0 votes. You too, Bubble Jr. Don't worry, Red Fan. You too. Now it's down to Red Ball and Church Bell. And Church Bell gets the last slice of cake. And you, Red Ball, are out with 4 votes.
Ha! Where's it totally done?
I made a regular strawberry cake. McDonald's Cup. Choose 5 people to be up for elimination. Vote Church Bell, Evil Red Ball, Windmill and Scissors to be eliminated. Vote now.